Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 48. Words like everyone, several, and some can be subjects, but are they singular or plural? Today, indefinite pronouns as subjects. When an indefinite pronoun is the subject, like everyone, several, or some, the verb must agree with it. The trick is that these pronouns fall into three groups. Some are always singular: each, either, neither, everyone, anyone, nobody, and the like. Some are always plural: several, few, both, and many. And a handful: some, all, most, any, and none can be either singular or plural. Learn which group a pronoun belongs to, and the right verb follows. Start with the fixed groups, the always singular and always plural pronouns. For these, you ignore the prepositional phrase, just like before. Each of the runners is ready. Each is always singular, so is, no matter that runners is plural. Several of the runners are ready. Several is always plural, so are. In both, of the runners is just a phrase. Cross it out and let the pronoun decide. Now the special five: some, all, most, any, and none. These flip the usual rule. You actually do look inside the prepositional phrase because they borrow their number from the noun there. Some of the cake is gone. Cake is singular, so is. But some of the cookies are gone. Cookies is plural, so are. Same word, some, but the verb changes with the noun it refers to. For these five, the of phrase decides. Let's make it a quick decision. If the pronoun is an always singular one, like each, everyone, anyone, or neither, use a singular verb. If it's always plural, several, few, both, or many, use a plural verb. And if it's one of the five, some, all, most, any, or none, look at the noun in the of phrase and match that. So for those five, you look inside the phrase. For every other indefinite pronoun, you ignore it. Let's practice. Identify the pronouns group, then choose the verb. For some, all, most, any, and none, check the of phrase. Pause and try each. Some of the people of the Stone Age blank hunters and gatherers. Some refers to people, which is plural, so were. Many of the ruins blank from the Stone Age. Many is always plural, so are. Almost everyone blank that archaeology is fascinating. Everyone is always singular, so agrees. A few more: always singular, always plural, or one of the flexible five. Pause and try each. Few of my friends blank been to Europe. Few is always plural, so have. Neither of the twins blank at home. Neither is always singular, so is. Ignore of the twins, so is. All of the coats blank on sale. All refers to coats, which is plural, so are. Let's wrap up. When an indefinite pronoun is the subject, its group decides the verb. Words like each, everyone, anyone, and neither are always singular. Words like several, few, both, and many are always plural. And the special five, some, all, most, any, and none, take their number from the noun in the of phrase. Singular noun, singular verb. Plural noun, plural verb. Know the groups, and these become quick, reliable points. Great work! In Lesson 49, we'll finish the chapter with agreement in adjective clauses.